Hello everyone, my name is Tarun and welcome to yet another session of Task 2 today. So people, the task which we'll be discussing today is a debatable task where the examiner wants us to discuss both the views and give one opinion. So guys, in this kind of a task, we agree to one view and we agree to the other view. And we have to discuss both the views, no matter you agree it or not. So what will happen is, in this kind of an essay, one view is mine, which I'll be explaining in body paragraph 1, and the other view is of someone else, which I'll be discussing in body paragraph 2. When I'll be discussing my view, I will give a survey on that and I will firmly believe to it. But when I'll be discussing the other person's view, I will criticize that at the end. So I'll explain you how it goes. Let us take a look on the question. It says, some people think that positive thinking has benefits, while others say that it has drawbacks. Discuss both the views and give your opinion. So guys, do you understand what positive thinking means? The people who don't understand this, it means that a person is very optimistic. He never thinks about the negative aspect of anything what he is trying to do. बंदा सोचता है कि मैं जो कुछ भी कर रहा है ਇਹਦਾ रिजल्ट ਵਧੀਆ ही आएगा, वो नेगेटिव कदे सोचता ही नहीं। ਤਾਂ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਕੀ ਕਹਿ ਰਿਹਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਥਿੰਕਿੰਗ ਰੱਖਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਬੰਦਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਫਾਇਦਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਬਟ ਅਦਰਸ ਸੇ ਦੈਟ ਇਟ ਇਜ਼ not a good thing. There are drawbacks of positive thinking, and we will discuss both the views and give the opinion. So guys, I feel that 99% people will agree that positive thinking has benefits. So what will happen is, we will think one benefit of positive thinking and one drawback of positive thinking. Okay? So ਮੈਨੂੰ ਜਿੱਥੋਂ ਤੱਕ ਲੱਗਦਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ the benefit of positive thinking is that a positive thinker will never lose any opportunity that comes in his way. ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਹਮੇਸ਼ਾ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਥਿੰਕਿੰਗ ਰੱਖਦਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹਦੇ ਸਾਹਮਣੇ ਜੋ ਵੀ ਓਪਰਚੁਨਿਟੀ ਆਉਂਦੀ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਨਾਲ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਗ੍ਰੈਬ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦਾ ਹੈ. ਹੀ ਵਿਲ ਨਾਟ ਬੀ ਅਫਰੇਡ ਆਫ ਐਨੀ ਕਾਈਂਡ ਆਫ ਐਨ ਓਪਰਚੁਨਿਟੀ. ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇੱਦਾਂ ਬਿਲਕੁਲ ਨਹੀਂ ਲੱਗੇਗਾ ਕਿ ਯਾਰ ਇਸ ਓਪਰਚੁਨਿਟੀ ਦਾ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਨੁਕਸਾਨ ਨਾ ਕਿਤੇ ਹੋ ਜਾਏ. ਇਸ ਕਰਕੇ ਦੇ ਗ੍ਰੈਬ ਦੈਟ ਓਪਰਚੁਨਿਟੀ ਐਂਡ ਦੇ ਬਿਕਮ ਸਕਸੈਸਫੁਲ ਇਨ ਦੇਅਰ ਲਾਈਫ. ਐਂਡ ਵਨ ਡrawback is that if a person becomes over optimistic, then he will not be able to calculate the risk involved in whatever he is trying to do. कहने का मेरा मतलब ये है कि देखो, पॉजिटिव थिंकिंग होनी चाहिए बंदे की, हमेशा उन्होंने यही सोचना चाहिए कि जो कुछ भी हो रहा है वो बढ़िया ही हो रहा है. बट जे मैं बहुत ज़्यादा पॉजिटिव हो जा कि भाई मैनू तो कोई नुकसान हो ही नहीं सकता, तो इस चक्कर से मैं भुखे शेर के सामने छाल मारता, वो तो गल माड़ी है ना फिर. और गाइज, नो वन विल डू इट. चाहे जिहड़ा मर्जी बंदा जिन्ना मर्जी पॉजिटिव होवे, उन्होंने पता ही है कि यार जे भुखे शेर के सामने छाल मारांगे तो अगला तो खाऊगा ही. बट आपने तो बहन देने, तो आपू एक नैगेटिव थिंग पूरी सोचनी ही पेगी. सो one negative aspect of optimism is that an over optimistic person will not calculate the risk. He will not save any resources for the rainy days. Guys, rainy days का मतलब होता है कोई लोड़ दे दिनों विच. For example, right now we are running through a difficult session. कोरोना करके कारोबार सब ठप है, पर जे कोई ओवर ऑप्टिमिस्टिक बंदा होए जो सोचे कि यार मेरा IELTS का इंस्टीट्यूट बहुत वधिया चल रहा है, ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਪੈਸੇ ਬਚਾਉਣ ਦੀ ਲੋੜ ਨਹੀਂ, ਕਿਉਂ, ਅੱਗੇ ਵੀ ਵਧੀਆ ਹੀ ਚੱਲੂਗਾ. तो सारे पैसे मैं खर्चना, तो जो फिर लॉकडाउन होया तो मेरे को रोटी खाने भी पैसे ना हो, तो ये ओवर ऑप्टिमिस्टिक होने का नुकसान हो गया। ओके, सो नाउ let us see that what all we have write in body paragraph 1. So in body paragraph 1 we will say that the person who is a positive thinker, he will be able to grab each and every opportunity that comes in his way. Guys, there is an idiom or a well-known saying that opportunity knocks your door once in a lifetime. क्या मतलब है गाइस कि जिहड़ी opportunity है ਉਹਨੂੰ grab ਕਰਨ ਦਾ ਮੌਕਾ ਇੱਕੋ ਵਾਰ ਮਿਲਦਾ ਹੈ। ਜਿਹੜੇ ਬੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਤਾਂ ਉਹਨੂੰ grab ਕਰ ਲਿਆ ਉਹ ਸਕਸੈਸਫੁਲ ਰਹਿ ਗਿਆ, ਜਿਹੜਾ ਬੰਦਾ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਡਰ ਗਿਆ ਤਾਂ opportunity ਫਿਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਹੋਰ ਦੇ ਦਰਵਾਜ਼ੇ ਤੇ ਚਲ ਜਾਏਗੀ। So we say that there is a well-known saying that opportunity knocks your door once in a lifetime. The people who grab it, they become successful, and the others, they always keep on repenting on their decision of not grabbing that opportunity. So 3 sentences ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਸ ਚੀਜ਼ ਨੂੰ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ। ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਵਨ ਲਾਈਨਰ ਲਿਖਾਂਗੇ, ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਐਕਸਪਲੇਨ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਥਿੰਕਰ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਓਪਰਚੁਨਿਟੀ ਨੂੰ ਗ੍ਰੈਬ ਕਿਵੇਂ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ, ਐਂਡ ਦੈਨ we will relate it to the topic, and after that I will give an evidence of this in the form of a survey. So guys, you will see a lot of questions in which the examiner will ask you whether this thing has benefits or not. बहुत सारे questions ने इदां दे जिहदे विचों पुछणगे भी आह वाली चीज़ दे benefits ने कि आह वाली चीज़ दे नुकसान ने, तां उन्हां सारियां दे विच ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਸੇਮ ਸਰਵੇ ਦੇ ਸਕਦੇ ਹੋ ਕਿ 70% ਸਕਸੈਸਫੁਲ ਪੀਪਲ ਇਹੀ ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਨੇ ਕਿ ਅਸੀਂ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਥਿੰਕਿੰਗ ਰੱਖੀ ਸੀ ਜਿਹਦੀ ਵਜ੍ਹਾ ਨਾਲ ਅਸੀਂ ਸਕਸੈਸਫੁਲ ਹੋ ਗਏ। ਸੋ ਵੀ ਵਿਲ ਸੇ that according to a recent survey conducted by Indian Express, 70% successful people claim that they were able to succeed in life because of their optimistic thinking and because of the reason that they grabbed each and every opportunity that came in their way. After writing this survey, we'll say that is why I firmly believe that positive thinking has a lot of benefits. So guys, body paragraph 1 ਦੇ 3 parts ਹੁੰਦੇ ਨੇ। First is explaining the idea, second is supporting it with a survey, and third is reinforcing your opinion. That is why I firmly believe that it should happen like this. Fine? So now let us come to body paragraph 2. We will say that on the other hand, some people have a different point of view. They think that positive thinking can have drawbacks. They think like this because sometimes an over optimistic person is not able to calculate the risk involved in whatever he is trying to do, and at the same time they do not save resources or money for rainy days. So if there is any kind of hardship or if they go through any kind of difficult time, it will be very problematic for them because due to their optimistic thinking, they did not save any money or resources in their life. But in my opinion, the sample size of such people is negligible. ਇਹਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਇਹ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਹਾਂਜੀ ओवर ऑप्टिमिस्टिक होने का आ नुकसान तो है, बट ऐदा दे बहुत थोड़े लोग हैं जो इस कैटेगरी दे विच आउंदे हैं। 99% of the times people come in this category and they achieve success in their life, the ones who are optimistic. But only 1% of people are over optimistic, and that is why they sometimes face problems because of their over optimistic nature. So guys, whenever we are writing this kind of an essay in which it says discuss both the views and give your opinion, ਉਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਕੀ ਹੈ, ਜਦੋਂ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਆਪਣਾ ਓਪੀਨੀਅਨ ਲਿਖ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਨ ਵਧੀਆ ਤਰੀਕੇ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਸਿਖਰ ਤੇ ਚੜਾ ਲੈਣਾ, ਉਹਦੇ ਅੰਦਰ ਸਰਵੇ ਵੀ ਪਾਉਣਾ ਹੈ, ਉਹਨੂੰ ਫਰਮਲੀ ਬਿਲੀਵ ਵੀ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ, ਤੇ ਜਦੋਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੂਸਰੇ ਦਾ ਵਿਊ ਲਿਖਣਾ ਹੈ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਐਂਡ ਤੇ ਦੁਤਕਾਰ ਦੇਣਾ ਕਿ ਯਾਰ ਇਹ ਕੋਈ ਐਡਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਵਿਊ, ਇਹ ਕੋਈ ਐਡਾ ਵਧੀਆ ਵਿਊ ਨਹੀਂ ਹੈਗਾ. So and we said that sample size of such people is negligible. So we have completed the task response, we have maintained the coherence and cohesion, and we'll be getting a band 7, 8 or 8.5 if we write it in this way. Before we end, just let us talk about the introduction which we are going to write. So the introduction will be, first of all, we will rephrase this statement. Guys, I will not explain you that how a statement is rephrased. If you don't know it, please go to my YouTube channel and you'll be able to see other videos in which I have discussed different ways of rephrasing a sentence. So to write the essay, so first of all we'll be rephrasing this statement. Once we do that, we will write our thesis statement. So guys, the thesis statement format for this type of a question is, although view number 2, yet looking at view number 1, I feel opinion. Guys, ਇਹਨੂੰ ਪਲੀਜ਼ ਸਾਰੇ ਜਣੇ ਨੋਟ ਕਰ ਲਓ, ਇਹ thesis statement ਲਿਖਣ ਦਾ ਫਾਰਮੈਟ ਹੈ. When you will write your thesis statement in discuss both the views and give your opinion. So over here, view number 1 is that an optimistic person will never leave any opportunity that comes in his way, and view number 2 is that over optimistic person does not calculate the risk involved in whatever he is trying to do. So now if I put these views in the thesis statement, I will say, although view number 2 is this, I'll say although an over optimistic person does not calculate the risk involved in anything, yet looking at the opportunities that an optimistic person will be able to grab, I feel that optimistic thinking is always beneficial. Guys, I'll repeat myself. I'll say that although an over optimistic person does not calculate the risk involved in whatever he is doing, yet looking at the opportunities which a positive thinker will be able to grab, I feel that positive thinking is always beneficial. So guys, please take your pens and pencils and your notebooks, write this essay. If you want, you can send the essay to me on my WhatsApp number. I can check it and I can give you the feedback. My WhatsApp number is 78144 28104. And if you want, Please subscribe this video and you will be able to get the reminders of my upcoming video as well. Thank you.